Hello friends, welcome to Ansu Code Vita channel. In last video you saw about how to install WordPress and create a new post. Post is a kind of information or data which we want user can see and comment on it. You see a post on Instagram, Facebook and many websites also. Today we'll look at a more feature of post and pages also. So to edit a simple post, just rename it with rename it with website and type some text on it. So to type text, I will search on Google. I type website and search it. I look for the better option. So I go on Wikipedia and there are many texts here. So I just copy and paste few texts. So I paste it here and this is the same paragraph and the same text I got and every underline is also there and every link also, so it is a better option. So I just go and update it. We can also visit our website, just right click and click on open in new tab. We saw our website it here. This is our website and this is our the new text website and it is of uncategorized, and this is the paragraph which I copy and paste it, and this is the hello world post by default by the WordPress. So to edit more, go on dashboard and in right hand side we saw the document. In that visibility is public, we can also change it visibility private also and password protected also. In private section we can privately to only the editor and admin only, and in password protected we can give the password to the post. So after we can also see that the publish date and time also. So in below there is a permalinks. If someone click on my post, then it will get the URL of my new post. I have written the new post there, and this is the category of the post. If we type the on new topic on different day, so we have to categorize with it. Someone type a coding, someone type about the comedy and many things, so we have to categorize all my posts. So I categorize with a web development to this post website. So I click on the add new category and uncheck the uncategory. It is of the my new category, web development category. So we can also add a tag. If someone want to search my post, so he can simply type a website, web development and many things. So I type all these things. So I type web and website. So to search my post, and here in this image section we can upload a image also to it here. So I click on it and this is the media section. Here we can upload an image and we can see it here in the there is no item found. So I go on upload and we can upload an image and look at the media section if we already uploaded on the WordPress or not. So go on upload and click on select file. I have not a good image, so I search on Google. So I search for the website image. I choose the better one and so I save it on my desktop and save it. and go to it and upload it here. Go on my desktop and open it with, and this is the file which I have uploaded in the media library and also in WordPress. So I set as a feature image. Here we can see the image also, and in accept section, this is the accept section. In accept, it is a gist or the summary of the post we have uploaded. If someone did not wants to read the full post, so he can read the gist of this. So I select the some text and paste it in the accept section, so he can see only the summary of the post and update it. After updating, we can view our post also. Click on preview, we can view our post. So this is the post of the web development category, and this is the accept or the gist or the summary of the post, and this is the full paragraph. And if someone wants to comment any, he can comment also. So I comment a nice one and post on it. So scroll down, and here the nice one and the post by the author, by me at itself. And going down, we can also click on the allow comment or delete the comment. We can also uncheck to did not allow to comment our. And in down section, this is the post attribute. We can also add a template on it here. So I did not want anything, so go in block section, and this is the paragraph. We can also change the paragraph how it looking. And in the text size, we can also change the text of the smaller, bigger, larger. And in color setting, we can also change the text of the color. And in advanced section, it is of the CSS code, so we did not go to the coding section, we only hear it for the codeless section. So this is our website, so I just refresh it, and this is our the website and the post also, web development category and the website, post, and the image also. And this is the paragraph, and the next one is the uncategorized hello world post. And so to change the tagline of my website, so I will edit this. So I will go in the setting, in that I will go in the general section, and I see it here a tagline. So I just rename it or edit it with learning free coding. And after typing this, I can save it, click on the save change, and go on my website and refresh it. We can see that our tagline has changed, and this is the post. And go on there and look at the more tools. This is the post we have covered, and the next one is the media. I already told you that in media section, we can upload a image, video also, music, many things, and we can add new also. So go on to the next tool. This is a page. We can make a new pages also on our website. So this is a by default page given by the WordPress. So I can click on it and I can delete it. I did not want this, so I just go and move to trash and click on apply. It will apply to all the selected one. And now I create a new page, so I click on add new, and I will give the title name to the page, about us. and type some text. Hello friends, on this website you will learn about coding and make your own website and application also. So join us. Then I go on publish it, this page, and visibility is public, everyone can see my page, and I go and view my page. This is my about us page, and the text here it is, and the nothing I have done it here. So this is my about us page tagline. So go on dashboard, and I can create a one more new page. So go on pages, we can create a many pages if we want. So go on add new and creating a new page, name home, and I did not type any text on it, and giving some image on it. So I select the new image from the Google. I type for coding image, and I select this one, and I save it and upload it here by upload in section, and set feature image for this page, and I nothing to do it here, and then go to publish. It will publish immediately. Then we can view our page also from there. This is our page, and this is the feature image I have set for the home page, and these are the two pages, and we can also search anything from their website. If I search, we get the two result, my website post, and I have typed a word on about us page website, so I get a two result. So thank you for watching, stay tuned for the new videos.